Budgie's a little helicopter. He is brave, a little hero. Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pippa, Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure.
Budgie!
Rocketing rotors. Oh, Budgie's a little helicopter. He is nippy, look at him go. It's Budgie, the little helicopter.
Budgie to Lionel, over.
Yes, Budgie, go ahead.
Drop the spares off at the lighthouse, Lionel.
Good show, Budgie. They'll be able to fix the foghorn now, so come back to Harefield, will you?
On my way.
Oh, and steer clear of the new airport at Wealdon.
Why is that, Lionel?
It's the official opening today. Lots of aircraft flying in and out. Place full of important people. Pippa's gone to collect the Minister for Airports.
Oh.
He's going to cut the tape. Better keep out of the way, all right?
All right, Lionel. Over and out.
What's a carry-on, eh, Nosy? Yeah. Have we had our invitation yet? Do you know, I think they might have forgotten us. Perhaps it's just as well, though. How do you mean? I haven't a thing to wear.
Hello, you there. I hope your wheels are clean.
Aye? What's he on about?
I shall have the honor to be the first to take off from this airport when your minister shall have opened him.
Oh, isn't that nice?
And I do not want your dirty tire marks on my runway.
Cool. Well, we're just about finished here anyway, mate. Come on, Nosy. Leave him to it.
Hooligans.
Hi, Ben.
Hi, Lucy.
Can I have a go?
No, you can't.
Why not?
Girls can't kick.
They can. I can.
Can't?
Can.
Well, you're not.
Oh, yes, she is. Don't be so mean, Ben. Give her a go.
Oh, Mum, she doesn't know.
Is Lucy going to kick the ball, or are you coming up here to peel potatoes?
She's going to kick the ball, Mum.
I thought she might.
Probably won't even reach the wall.
Home again, Snowy. Hello. There's a football on the roof. It's blowing away.
Hey, great.
He's fantastic.
Budgie?
Oh!
Yay!
Oh! Budgie?
Yes, Lionel?
Budgie, what do you think you're playing? Ah!
Oh, gosh.
So I was going to let you fly the bird watchers to Redshank Island, Budgie. But since you can't be trusted to be sensible, Chuck had better do that, and you can collect
Oh, no. Not the...
lobsters.
Oh, Lionel.
I guess he's gonna feel the pinch, Lionel.
Yes, thank you, Chuck.
Better look nippy, kiddo.
Chuck,
Oh, sorry, Captain. Lionel.
the bird watchers, now. Budgie, Seapool Harbour. I'm off on a job to Oakford. Right, scramble.
Mayday, mayday. Motor vessel Sapphire to all ships and aircraft.
Pippa to Sapphire. What's the problem? Over.
We're drifting in the channel with dead engines. We have the Minister for Airports aboard. He has to reach land quickly.
Gosh, I was supposed to pick him up from Doveston Harbour.
Budgie to Pippa.
Budgie!
I heard the Mayday, Pippa. I'm near Seapool, not far away. Can I help?
Oh, great! Yes! If I find the minister's cruiser and circle round, can you pick him up?
On my way, Pippa, and I hope he likes lobsters.
Why?
Because they're coming with me.
What do you reckon it is?
I think it's one of the wheel bearings. It'll never get to Wealdon.
Oh, I don't believe it. We get Wally all ready for the opening ceremony and now we can't deliver him. Any chance of fixing it?
Not with Wally aboard. We need to get it back to the workshop.
Ah, right. Winch him off again. Cool. I don't know.
Get off!
OK, Pippa. I've got him aboard. I think he likes lobsters as much as I do.
Right, Budgie.
I'm off to Wealdon.
I'll see you there.
Yeah. Lionel!
Yes, Wally?
I've got a problem. There am I, going to be part of the opening ceremony. Nice little museum waiting for me and some other oldies, and me transporter's bust.
No bad show, Wally. But there's not much I can do. You'll just have to wait until...
Chuck to Lionel, I'm on my way home. I'm over the new airport. Budgie and Pippa are down there, and boy, the joint is jumping.
The what is what?
There's a whole lot going on. Looks like they're about ready to go ahead with the opening.
Chuck says they're starting the opening ceremony any minute.
Hey, well, I'm not going to miss that.
What?
I'm going to fly. I haven't flown for ages, but I'm going to fly there.
I'm not sure that's a very... All right, but I'm coming with you. Chuck,
Yes, Captain?
drop down and make sure the runway's clear for Wally to land.
Yes, sir, Captain.
This is it. Here I go.
And I can assure you that I am part of a government that has a great belief in the future of air transport. Just as well. I wouldn't have got here without it.
That's you. Good job you didn't go home.
Sure it is, with great pleasure. Thank you. And I...
Oh, my hat! What's he doing? He's blown her hat off.
I'll get it.
He's cut the tape. He's opened the airport. Gosh.
What do you know? I made it.
How dare we? I am to be the first to use the runway.
You were, mate. You were. Nice work, Budgie. Especially the hats.
Especially the lobsters.
I wouldn't have missed this opening ceremony for anything.
Huh. I did miss it, and it was all your fault.
Never mind, Con. Have a lobster.
What are you talking about, you squeak pip? Ah! Oh! 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 Oh!
Oh, poor Con. Another letdown.